Hello, Seth here. Today I'd like to show you how to use save file transferring tools and edit in some of your profile data. This video might be useful for those who have lost their progress due to save data corruption. The support service cannot do anything about it, since this data is stored locally on your hard drive, so if you want your previous Doom level and milestones back, you'll have to do it yourself. Please note that this method is only possible for PC players. In this video I'm going to use Steam version of the game as an example. Links to all needed tools can be found in description. First things first, let's edit your Doom level. Open and extract all files from the Profile Editor zip archive to your Doom Eternal folder. Launch Doom Save Manager and select Export Backup option. Next window asks for a source, which is your Steam ID, where your save data is located. If you have several users on your computer who are playing Doom Eternal, you'll see multiple ID numbers. If you're having a problem with picking the right option, use steamid.io, which will convert your Steam profile link into Steam64ID. Click OK, rename the extracted data if you want. Next step is decryption of your profile binary file. Drag and drop your profile.bin into idProfile.exe. Now you have decrypted JSON file. This is basically a text file. You may edit it with any text editor you want. I would personally recommend using Notepad++ since you'll need to jump to specific lines of this huge file. Let's change the Doom XP number now. Press Ctrl F and search for experience gained value. 1 Doom level equals 10,000 experience, so let's change our 0 value to 10,000. Whenever you edit any value in this text file, please pay attention on data types, because the default one for 0 values here is int8, which can only store up to 127. If you won't pick the correct data type, you won't be able to encrypt your profile data back to binary. When everything's done, save JSON file and drag it into idprofile.exe again. Rename it to profile.bin and replace the binary in your backup archive. Launch Doom Save Manager, select Import Backup option, pick the data you'd like to import, select the correct SIM ID, and if you've done everything correctly, you're going to have the second Doom level. Let's increase the number now. I want to give myself level 250. Get back to JSON file, type 2,490,000, convert text file back into binary, import the saved data, and boom! Now I have level 250. Here is some information if you want to get your echelon stars back. Add 10,000 for each level, 2,500,000 for each star, and 20 millions for each echelon. Quick side note, if you'd like to skip the Battlemode tutorial which pops up every time your profile gets reset, you have to change these 3 values: has accepted or met requirements for PvP warning, has completed demon movement tutorial, and has completed PvP tutorial from false to true. Now let's hop into editing your milestones. It's a bit more complicated process since, as I have mentioned before, you had to jump to specific lines of this code. I'm going to leave screenshots of each milestone, corresponding variable that you need to edit, and line of code where this specific variable is located. Some milestones have question marks since I was unable to find a variable that can instantly complete it. Most of them have do something in a single slot condition, so unfortunately you'll have to replay the campaign for them. When you have restored all of your data, your doom level is back, most of your milestones is back, you have a choice. You can either replay the campaign and get all of the remaining milestones and then backup, or just make a backup right now. Save this backup archive somewhere so that if your profile data gets corrupted again, you could easily restore it using Doom Save Manager. In conclusion, I'd like to ask you not to abuse these tools too much. Please do not give yourself the max echelon 8 red stars. Use them only if you need to back up your save files or in case if your profile got corrupted. That's all of the information I have. All required links can be found in the description. Happy slaying! Bye!